Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today's video is long overdue. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Canon G7x Mark III. So quick backstory, if you follow my channel, you are probably aware, but if you're just clicking on this video, you're probably like, what's going on? Who is this girl? What's her story? So let me just, catch y'all up. So I've been on YouTube for a little over a year now. The first camera that I purchased for YouTube was the Canon T6. And let's just say that was a very, very terrible purchase. Not that the camera is not a good camera, it's a great camera. It's just not a good camera for YouTube. The Canon T6, for people who don't know a lot about cameras, is kind of like the entry-level DSLR camera. It's really meant for photos. I had the T6, I was using it for vlogging, sit-down videos, hauls. As you can tell, it's probably very problematic. Let me grab it actually. This is my T6. This was my baby. As y'all can see, this is freaking huge. Imagine me trying to vlog with this, just heavy. You don't know if you're in the shot. Like, it's a lot. I tried to vlog with this in Jamaica, my Hampton University vlog, my pranks. It was a lot, y'all. Don't get it twisted though. I made a lot of banger vids with this camera, okay? This camera got me to where I am today. So much love, appreciate you. But for me, the final straw was I was trying to improve my audio. And I was trying to like add a microphone to this camera. Like, I went out and bought a microphone and I found out you can't use a microphone with the camera. Let's get to the G7. I realized that I was gonna have to get another camera. I actually realized that shortly after I bought this camera, but I tried to make it work and I made it work for a year. But I just got to the point where I was fed up and I was just like, it is hindering my videos because I feel so frustrated with this camera. I'm unhappy with the video quality. There were a few options for my new camera, honestly, but the reason I chose the Canon G7X are for multiple reasons. One, this is probably a dumb reason. I'm sure somebody's gonna have something smart to say in the comments, but like, I feel like the G7X is like the vlogging camera. It's kind of like a rite of passage, if that makes sense. Like, even Kylie Jenner was using the G7X. I wanted to get it because I felt like, if I got another camera, I was always gonna want the G7X. I was always gonna wonder what it's like to have a G7X. G7X, you're definitely doing a really great marketing strategy because I'm pretty sure the other cameras are just as good, but I felt like I was gonna have FOMO. Like, I was gonna be missing out if I didn't have a G7, just like Kylie Jenner, okay? I don't know. I found out that the G7x Mark III has a microphone port. Like, what? There's a microphone port in the G7? So I was just like, if I do have a situation where I wanna, use an external mic, which I found to be an issue with my previous camera, I can use it. I bought it a little over a month ago. I think I've had the camera for about 5 weeks now, maybe 6. 5 to 6 weeks. So I'm gonna insert the footage of me unboxing the camera. I filmed the unboxing on this Canon and I was looking at the footage, y'all. It's very cringy, bear with me. Just watch the unboxing, see the camera come out the package because I'm recording with the G7 now. Then I'll come back and tell you my review. So today to Best Buy, I got a Canon G7x Mark III, okay. I'm recording off the T6 now. I'll eventually switch to the G7. Unboxing the camera. This is kind of like what the box looks like. It comes with the warranty. I don't know if you guys know what the warranty looks like on a new Canon, let me know. But I believe I probably have to fill this out to get the warranty info. I didn't pay for an extended warranty because y'all know how I am. That was an extra $80. Ooh, a manual. And then so this is the battery charger. Let's see. And so this one is definitely already, like, I can see it's a lot smaller than the charger for my T6. There's not a lot in the box, y'all. This is the camera. OMG. Oh my gosh. It looks so like different in person. This is the screen. Okay, I'm ready. Am I ready to be a vlogger? Hey guys, it's Kiki and I'm back with another video. And then it comes with this, this little strap. I probably definitely want to put the strap on, but I'll do that later. And then it comes with the battery. I hope the battery is charged enough for me to try it now. Let's see. Ooh, it looks so pretty, y'all. I don't know if you can see it, but I have to set the date and time. I don't even know what time it is. Alexa, what's today's date?
Today is Sunday, August 4th.
Y'all, I knew it was August 4th. I just needed to confirm. Like, I'm not that far gone that I don't know the date. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 9:07 p.m.
Bet. I didn't even realize it was touchscreen. Oh, we bougie. My other camera was not touchscreen. Wow. First off, I want to say this camera was so easy to set up for me to like turn it on and now I'm ready to shoot. Like my other camera, if you go look at my other unboxing, there's so many pieces. It took me forever to like even be ready to shoot. So let's switch to the Canon. Let's switch to me recording off the Canon G7. Okay, so I'm recording. I'm holding it now kind of in like vlogger style, and of course you see my background is not that, but oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Wait, I want to get my tripod because I have a little vlogger tripod. I'll tell you some of the pros and cons since I've had the camera for several weeks. So my overall impression, guys, I am obsessed with this camera. I love this camera. My video quality has significantly improved over the last few weeks. Like when I mean significantly improved, like, I mean, you can see it yourself. You can go look at some of my older videos and look at some of my newer videos and you can see that my quality has improved. Some of the things I like about this camera are, one, the autofocus feature. It literally like focuses on whatever you need it to focus on. So I never have to worry about my videos being blurry. I turn on this camera, my videos are crystal clear. Another thing I love, which is not something that I've measured, that I have like scientific evidence of, but like the battery life is like fire. With my G7, I have recorded for like hours and days on days on days on days, and it's still full battery. And then when I do put it in the charger to charge, it charges immediately. Like it's not on the charger for hours. It's on the charger for maybe 1 hour and then it's a full battery. Also, this camera can like do live streams, which I think is super cool. I haven't personally tried it because I'm really not a live streamer. Y'all know live streams low-key make me uncomfortable. I don't know why. I just feel like I can't read the comments fast enough and I just be feeling some type of way. If you are like a gamer or you're someone who live streams a lot, I would consider it for that aspect. Also, this camera can connect to your phone. So if you don't have a laptop and you edit off your phone, you can literally like send clips from this camera to your phone. This camera has 1,000 features, I will tell you that, and I don't even know 10% of all the features. But I will say it's very, very user-friendly and non-sponsored, right? I just have a really good experience. Like if you are a vlogger and you want to start YouTube or you want to like invest in your YouTube channel, I definitely recommend the Canon G7X. I can talk about some of the cons. Cons is this camera is really expensive. Like really expensive. I feel like it's a good camera, but for what, if you're more of an entry-level vlogger, I feel like you probably could get something comparable to this, or like I mentioned, maybe just get the G7 Mark II, because I got the Mark III. It literally like just came out this summer, so they really don't have like refurbished ones yet. Like you had to get like the new one, and it's like not like, this camera's never on sale because they know they're gonna be selling it. Like people are spending the $600, $700, $800, however much they're spending on this camera. I would consider other options that are maybe a little more affordable. Like I said, I think the G7 Mark II was a good option. I think the only difference between that and my camera is the microphone port. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I haven't really been using the microphone port just because I've noticed the audio on this camera is a lot better than the audio on my T6. I'm gonna show you a clip of me outside in natural daylight. Of course, this is gonna be the best shot. It's gonna be the most crystal clear, crisp shot, you know. If you follow my channel, you may have seen some of these clips, but if you just came to this video for the G7, this is new to you. And then also, let me show you some clips of me inside using my ring light. This is kind of how it looks. Another con of this camera, and I don't know if this is a con or just like I need to get my life together, but like you can literally see everything. Like you can see every last piece of like any like length, you know, if you had a pimple that day, you're not hiding from this. You're not hiding, baby girl. So just know, like, it's crystal clear, so you have to be ready for that. But yeah, overall, I've had a really, really great experience. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know if you're G7 gang, all my vloggers out there. We'll see how I like the camera as time progresses, but as of now, I'm very satisfied with my purchase. Let me know what is like my next maybe dream camera. Like after I get tired of the G7 and I'm too bougie for the G7, what's the next step? What's my next level? If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. I actually have a whole YouTube tips and tricks playlist, so definitely go watch that. I'll help y'all get your subscribers up, your watch time, your money, trying to help y'all get paid. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.